Peru is one of South America's most famed locations, renowned not just for the mystery village of Machu Picchu that graces numerous tourist postcards, but for its rich tapestry of experiences beyond old ruins. So grab your backpack and let's begin on an expedition through this amazing country. Before we jump in, if you enjoy travel content and want to explore more exciting adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below about your dream vacation spot. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you incredible travel ideas. Number 12, Huascaran National Park. Nestled high in the Andes, Huascaran National Park is a beautiful jewel located in the central Sierra region of Peru. Home to the Cordillera Blanca, the world's tallest tropical mountain range, this park is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Established in 1975, it features more than 600 sparkling glaciers and a beautiful assortment of mountain lakes and roaring rivers. If you're eager for some adventure, get ready to be charmed by its majestic peaks and vibrant flora and wildlife. Number 11, Huacachina. Now let's take a diversion to Huacachina, a gorgeous oasis in the center of the desert. Surrounded by huge sand dunes, this little lagoon is a paradise for thrill seekers. Grab a board and try your hand at sandboarding, or get on a dune buggy for an adventurous journey across the magnificent countryside. The unique charm of this area will undoubtedly leave you wanting more. Number 10, Trujillo. Traveling 8 hours north of Lima, we arrive at Trujillo, noted for its lively historic core. This city, founded in the 1500s, is embellished with brilliant Spanish houses and lovely chapels. Don't miss out on the neighboring Chan Chan ruins, vestiges of one of ancient Peru's major pre-Incan civilizations. As you travel around the mud city, you'll feel the echoes of history come alive in its spectacular adobe structures. Number 9, Nazca Lines. Next up, we have the fascinating Nazca Lines, etched into the parched desert environment of southern Peru. These gigantic geoglyphs of animals and geometric shapes, sculpted by the Nazca people, have stirred interest for millennia. Best observed from above, a flight above these ancient sculptures exposes the artistry of a culture that flourished over 1,000 years ago, leaving a mark on the land that continues to captivate. Number 8, Iquitos. Welcome to Iquitos, the largest city in the world without road access. Set in the middle of the Amazon, this bustling city offers a fascinating blend of old and new. Here, you may enjoy boat rides down the Amazon River, where you'll see everything from traditional canoes to luxury cruise ships. Make sure to visit the Belen Floating Market, where you can purchase anything from unusual fruits to local specialties like crocodile flesh. Number 7, Lake Titicaca. Next, we venture to Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world, straddling the boundary between Peru and Bolivia. At above 12,500 feet, it's a stunning sight, speckled with islands, some of which are inhabited by inhabitants living on floating islands built of reeds. As you explore this gorgeous lake, keep an eye out for its colorful aquatic life and the intriguing birds that make it home. Number 6, Lima. As Peru's busy capital, Lima is a huge metropolis that boasts a rich history, gorgeous architecture, and great cuisine. Founded in 1535 by Spanish adventurer Francisco Pizarro, the city is a fascinating mix of old and new. Wander through the ancient heart of Lima Centro, with its colorful craft markets, or visit the trendy Miraflores quarter, replete with attractive antique shops and exciting bars. Number 5. Colca Canyon. Colca Canyon is a must-visit for its breathtaking panoramas and outdoor pleasures. It's one of the deepest valleys in the world, over twice as deep as the Grand Canyon. Marvel at the stunning environment and keep your eyes peeled for the spectacular Andean condors soaring above. Plus, the nearby towns offer a good opportunity to pick up unique handcrafted souvenirs. Number 4. Sacred Valley. Once the heart of the Inca Empire, the Sacred Valley is a spectacular expanse packed with history and beauty. Just a stone's throw from Cusco and Machu Picchu, this valley is home to lovely colonial villages, vibrant markets, and fascinating Incan archaeological sites. Explore the citadels of Pisac and Ollantaytambo, each showcasing the magnificent legacy of the Incas. Number 3. Arequipa. Arequipa, popularly called the White City, is set against the backdrop of the beautiful El Misti volcano. The city is a showcase of exquisite colonial architecture, with the Santa Catalina convent being a highlight. As you explore through its colorful streets and old buildings, you'll find the fascinating charm that makes Arequipa a remarkable location to visit. Number 2. Cusco. Cusco. The historic capital of the Inca Empire is a captivating blend of history and culture. As you stroll its historic cobbled alleyways, you'll see gorgeous colonial churches alongside towering Incan temples. Known as the archaeological capital of the continent, Cusco is brimming with fascinating historical sites just begging to be discovered. Plus, it's the gateway to the famed Machu Picchu. Number 1. Machu Picchu. Finally, we arrive to Machu Picchu, the crown jewel of Peru. This majestic site is a remarkable picture of Incan culture, acting as a palace, fortress, and sacred ritual ground. Nestled in the Andes, Machu Picchu was abandoned following the Spanish conquest, only to be rediscovered in the early 1900s. Built from meticulously sculpted stones, the city offers stunning views and a compelling peek into the past. No journey to Peru is complete without witnessing the wonder of Machu Picchu. If you want to see more in-depth videos about any of these amazing places, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for weekly doses of wanderlust. Thanks for watching.